Hello, thank you for taking some time to learn more about our report, The Market for Primary Cells and Stem Cell-Derived Cells, Current and Future Opportunities, which was released on May 31st. I'm Mary Fallon, Marketing and Sales Manager here at Bioinformatics LLC, and we're here to discuss this important topic and to have a look at the report. I have a few key findings and figures to share with you, and of course we have a special promotion for you as well. In the market for primary cells and stem cell-derived cells, current and future opportunities, Bioinformatics LLC takes the pulse of this dynamic market. This study seeks to identify where primary cells and primary cell suppliers fit in the universe of cells used in vitro systems, whether or not the use of primary cells is increasing or decreasing, what cell types are used most often, how satisfied scientists are with commercially available primary cells, and what is the market size and anticipated growth. This report also explores the emerging market for stem cell-derived differentiated cells, a potential threat or opportunity for suppliers in this market. The report team was led by Dr. Robin Rothrock, our Director of Publications here at Bioinformatics. Prior to joining Bioinformatics, Robin worked in product management in the industry, including stops at ATCC, Digene, and Life Technologies. During an earlier 6-year tenure with Bioinformatics, she led more than 200 custom market research studies. Robin is joining me today to discuss some findings from the report. Robin, thank you for joining us.
Mary, thank you. I am delighted to be here this afternoon.
So, my first question to you is, how prolific is the use of primary cells?
Primary cells are widely used. Over half of those who perform cell culture use primary cells to achieve their research objectives. About half of those who use primary cells purchase at least some portion of the primary cells they use. A near equal percentage never purchase primary cells because it is easy to isolate the cells of interest and the tissues are readily available. The focus of this report is on the commercial market for primary cells.
And what is the most oft-cited research objective when using primary cells?
Primary cells are most often used to support basic research. However, researchers working in the for-profit industrial market segment are more likely to use primary cells in drug discovery or drug screening applications, including ADME-Tox, compared to those who are working in the nonprofit or academic segment.
So, what does the average lab spend for primary cells and media look like for 2012 and 2013?
The preference of industrial researchers to purchase primary cells, combined with their larger lab budgets for primary cells and media, translates into higher share. Our market model also provides an estimate regarding the importance of primary hepatocytes to the overall size of the market for primary cells. Not shown here, but included in the report, is the size of the estimated commercial market for hepatocytes, about 25% of the total market for primary cells.
And finally, as stem cell-derived terminally differentiated cells can be and are currently being used in many applications where primary cells are employed, this study includes a section on stem cell-derived terminally differentiated cells. Can you share one of the findings on that topic with us?
Of course. In general, we found that respondents are compelled to source stem cell-derived cells from a wider variety of sources compared to primary cells. Industrial scientists tend to prefer to purchase these cells if they are commercially available. Compared to the dozens of commercial primary cell suppliers, there are few large-scale commercial producers of stem cell-derived cells from which to choose. The barriers to entry are higher for commercial suppliers of stem cell-derived cells compared to primary cells, but the current target market, drug discovery and development, is attractive, and new market niches have yet to be defined.
Well, thank you, Robin, for sharing some of the key findings from our report, The Market for Primary Cells and Stem Cell-Derived Cells, Current and Future Opportunities. So, what's in the report? This report covers primary cell product analytics to include applications, purchase drivers, quantities used, brands most frequently used, satisfaction, and preferred features. Primary cell brand analytics to include preferred brand attributes, loyalty, willingness to recommend. Primary cell market analytics to include market size, projections for 2013, and market share of major suppliers. Market for stem cell derived cells product analytics, which includes level of interest in adopting stem cell derived cells by segment, usage by segment, types that are of greatest interest, media volumes used, sources, brands used, and preferred format to purchase in. And finally, market for stem cell derived cells market analytics, which includes current and projected usage and market size in 2012 and 2013 projected. For a closer look at the table of contents and some more key findings, download the executive summary on gene2drug.com. I'll put that information up on the screen in just a few minutes. So here's what you might be asking right now. Why should you buy this report? Well, this study was conducted by a staff of scientific and business analysts with years of experience in doing market research for major suppliers in the life science industry. As the sponsor of the Science Advisory Board, a global market research panel with 73,000 plus members, we have direct access to our members. What this means to you is that we know a lot about our respondents and that the survey takers are highly qualified. This report will inform your go-to-market strategy, and the electronic format allows you all to work from the same page. You can start using the data as soon as the report arrives in your inbox. With the purchase of our reports, you get a complimentary hour of consultation. An analyst will be available to answer questions about the report or bounce around what-if scenarios with you. Formerly, Robin's industry experience included a stint at ATCC as Business Unit and Marketing Director, and she designed this report with your needs in mind. We're confident you'll find what you need to know about this market in this report. So, until June 28, as an added incentive, we're going to provide the data set for free with each order of the report. Until June 28, 2013, you'll receive a free copy of the data set in an Excel format. If you're ready to start using this report today, call me. I'll help you get that processed. But if you need more detail on the report, check out the executive summary on gene2drug.com. Thank you again for spending a few minutes to learn more about our report and how it might be helpful to you.